Okay, here's your leads. Okay, here's your leads. Guys, I'm back for another Leads Lead review inside of the new Leads Lead Capture Page Club, where we're talking about building an email subscribers list using Leads Lead inside of my Leads Lead Capture Page Club. Okay, so this is going to be the last video inside of the Capture Page Club. I mean, you guys will find the other, it's about 5 videos all together inside of the Capture Page Club. And then we'll move to the playlist, guys, where all of the videos that are inside the new Leads Lead Capture Page Club, you can find in the new Leads Lead Capture Page Club playlist, which will be located at the bottom of your membership, just below these pages inside of the Leads Lead Capture Page Club. Now, in this video, guys, it's an update because you could have come through at this point in time. I'm just going to guess you could have come through about anywhere between 7 and 10 different automated marketing sales systems and funnels that I built and created. Oh, wow. Or should I say recreated in this instance over the last 6 months. Okay. And actually, this is one of them. And actually what I've done, guys, I've actually made it even simpler and easier, if you can believe that. When it comes to locking into your own automated lead generating, list building, lead generating marketing systems and sales funnels. Okay, so we're talking about building your own email subscribers list. And because you guys could have come through any of the pages, I'm doing this update inside of the Leads Lead Capture Page Club to let you know I got everybody covered, okay? Because you have your smart video funnels, you have the funnels that actually build and load and code for you guys. So you could have come through any of the funnels, just like this funnel. You could have come through this funnel. Well, actually, at the time of this video, you couldn't have come through this particular funnel. This is a revamped funnel, but you will see it inside of the library. So that process we talked about, right, in the last video, in terms of connecting your pages, we covered that because I showed you guys how to take a lead capture page and go from that lead capture page to your thank you bridge page. In this instance, it could have even been this page, right? Doesn't really matter because in that video training, I showed you guys how to do it, okay? So now we toured the Capture Page Club when we first came in. I'm going to go through some of the other capture pages that you can find inside of the Leads Lead Capture Page Club. And now that you guys have been through that training, you guys know exactly how to set up your own automated marketing systems and sales funnels. You know how to go out now, at least you know how to put together, right, your lead capture page, your landing page, which redirects to your bridge page or your thank you page. You guys know how to do all of that cool stuff. So the reason this is probably one of the most user-friendly versions of list building, lead generation, tutorials, videos, training, is because it truly is simple to set these pages up. And then we're going to get into the advertising, of course, and then you guys will be able to run traffic into your automated sales system funnels. Now, inside of the library, guys, these pages can be interchanged. I mean, and they can be edited, by the way. We talked about that in the last video. You can edit any of these pages out to speak to anything you want them to speak to, okay? Anything you want them to speak to. And it's enough variety in here, right, for you guys to really kick yourself off and get yourself going, okay? So as you're connecting your automated funnels and your systems, just keep in mind that it doesn't really matter which funnel you came through. A lot of the funnels actually have the share codes built right inside of the funnel, and the ones that don't, I'm actually loading and coding these bridge pages for you guys. All you're doing is connecting them, following the instructions up until now. So putting your system together is a snap now, right? It should be a snap. It should be easy, particularly because we're using the 7-second share code technology. It should really be easy to go ahead and set these funnels up for anything you want. You want to be building your email subscribers list. Now, the other great thing about what we're talking about here, guys, is you can go out and market and promote anything that you want to. using this training. Anything you want to. You can even go out and market and promote your own personal products and services, your MLM, your network marketing deal, all types of affiliate offers. And guys, for you guys who opt to upgrade at some point in time, you will, because you'll be able to do so much more, i.e., set up your own autoresponder, which we cover inside of the Leads Lead Capture Club. And it's just a lot for you to be able to do. So I talked about total autonomy. I talked about owning the processes. And there's nothing like owning the process. You don't have to rely on anyone to do anything for you, because you can do almost anything it is you want to do following this training. Remember, we talked about discipline, guys, right? So I don't care how great your system is, whatever it is you're marketing and promoting. If you're not capturing leads, if you're not building an email subscribers list, you're dead in the water. And in order to build an email subscribers list, you have to advertise. And if you don't do that, you're dead in the water twice, right? So we're going to cover the advertising, because a lot of times you get these great systems and nobody talks about the lead capture, or people do talk about lead capture, but you got these great funnels, bridge pages, basically. A lot of them now, people starting to build the lead capture into some of the sales systems funnels, and you'll have that. That'll be another option to you when you go in. I got pages, video sales pages, everything. But the thing is, you are building an internal list inside of a lot of those funnel systems, which is great, because you can still turn around and email all the leads you're starting to collect based on your advertising, right? Whether it's free or paid advertising. So you can still go into a lot of these, I like to call them newfangled funnels, and you can see the leads that you're generating inside of those funnels. But because I talk about total autonomy and owning the entire process, I want you to build your own list externally, outside of those platforms, right? Because we know, guys, systems come and systems go. And systems go down all the time. I mean, sometimes without a hint of notice. They just, the people who build the systems, or for whatever reason, who knows, the system just goes down and you never hear anything about those people again. So there goes the leads that you generated inside of that system, right? And if it's the only income stream you have, there goes your income stream too. When you're building your own email subscribers list, systems can go, funnels can go, business opportunities can come and they can go, right? But, they're always popping up all over the place. Great opportunities. In fact, guys, probably this is May now. So May? We are in May. And by the end of June, I have what I guess I'm going to consider the end all, just in terms of funnel systems. You'll still be building a list, but we're going to be doing it in a different way. We're going to be doing some really, really different kind of stuff. And see, can't we get some real fast residual income generated with 2 new funnels that I'm actually working on, guys. It's going to take me probably about another 2 weeks to get them ready. I'm testing some things. I want to make sure that they're all ready to go. But I really believe you guys are going to be really super excited about that as well. So stay plugged into the YouTube channel, okay? And inside of the Lead Capture Page Club. Okay, so now you're coming through, you see all of the different pages you have at your leisure. And now that you know how to set these funnels up, guys, the other thing you could do, I want you to stay focused. But we talked about systems coming and going. I mean, you could always run over to some of the platforms like ClickBank and JVZoo and or Warrior Plus, pick yourself up a nice affiliate offer, and you can go out and promote that, right, as well. So you have all this latitude when you're able to build your own email subscribers list, okay? And that's why all of the emphasis inside of the new Leads Lead Capture Page Club, it's not by happenstance that I call it the new Leads Lead Capture Page Club. It's because it's strategically and specifically designed to build you an email subscribers list. We talked about generating more leads. We talked about generating more opt-ins. We talked about generating being able to build a bigger email subscribers list, and ultimately maybe getting more sales, signups, and conversions inside of the business that you're in, no matter what that business is, right? And so That's what the end all is, and that's what we want to be doing. So because you've been through all of the videos, at the very bottom of this page, guys, what you will find is a share code for this page. The share code for this page works just like the share codes do for any other page. You can use this entire page, right, so that it actually, and you want to, by the way, it actually is your page. And when people are coming through, if you're promoting the Leads Lead Capture Page Club, or maybe you're just using it, if you're promoting it, then the reason why you want that share code is because when you import this share code into your Leads Lead membership area and people go to Leads Lead, because we tell people as soon as they come in, if you haven't already, click here, right, and join Leads Lead. So this will be your button. And so we want to think like entrepreneurs, right? We're thinking like owners, right? We want to build ourselves some real estate. We want to lay the foundation inside of some universal evergreen resources. And when we get into the traffic, you guys are going to really like this. Resources that can continue to pay us, right? Because of their value, because 99.9% of anybody who's building an email subscribers list can use the exact same tools and resources. And last but not least, but best of all, there's an affiliate component typed into it all, right? And this is how we can create instant, passive, and residual income as we start to build our list. So get really, really super pumped and super excited. And remember, you'll find the share code for this page at the very bottom. And when you go in to edit this page, if you're going to use it or any of the pages, remember what we talked about in the editing. Make sure that when you're in your editing, you're making the affiliate buttons where there are affiliate components rolled into any of the funnels that you came through is your affiliate link. Now, for you guys who I'm actually loading and coding your bridge page, my funnel builder, where I build these funnels for you guys don't have to worry about it. You just follow the instructions in terms of connecting the pages, because by the time you get to that point, I would have already connected all your affiliate links inside of your pages, right? So no matter what system you came through, I can't put enough emphasis on it. This training is inside of all of those systems. Everything leads back to the new Leads Lead Capture Page Club, because you came through a Capture Page Club, not necessarily a Leads Lead Capture Page Club in some instances, but you ended up on a page, right, that can be replicated and duplicated either through Leads Lead, or as you guys go through this training, and the ones I manually load and code for you, which you will have, and you're going through this training, and you'll be able to put it all together, if that makes sense. And it should. If you guys have been through all the videos on the page, you guys have watched, you see that where the share codes are inside the page. It's as simple as you highlighting the share codes, and you guys remember in the training, I show you guys exactly how to do it. We even get into the autoresponder, setting up your autoresponder. We talk about sending email broadcast. And again, now the playlist is going to start. So at the very bottom of this page, make sure you subscribe to the Lead Lead Capture Page Club playlist, because every video that I do from this point going forward, because everybody should be on one sheet of music now, right? We should all be in one grand location in terms of the funnel we came through. And it should start with the new Leads Lead Capture Page Club. And through that playlist, it doesn't matter what funnel we're talking about. We will only be talking about different techniques, tactics, strategies, tools, and resources that you can use to start to build your email subscribers list, right? It doesn't matter what funnel it is, right? That process will always be the same. You want to run traffic into a lead capture page, right? You want that lead capture page preferably to redirect to a page that you put together or an affiliate offer that you have. And ultimately, you want to have both that lead capture page that redirects to that thank you or bridge page. You want to actually have it integrated with an autoresponder or a list, at least a list. Because again, you don't have to be upgraded to set up the follow-up email campaign, but you have to be upgraded to set it up. But you don't have to be upgraded to send a broadcast. And we cover all that in the training. You still can pull up every lead coming into your funnels. You can email each and every single one of them anytime that you want, or day or night, from anywhere around the world. Doesn't matter what they are. You can and you can send a link in a simple email broadcast with anything that you want in that link. Okay, so make sure that you pay special attention to some of the bonus advertising resources that we have inside. They will be covered inside of the playlist as well, but you will find some on some of the different pages you guys could have come through. I've taken some of the best in my opinion, and I put them all together on different pages. But ultimately, you will end up here. And at the very bottom of these Capture Page Club, you'll have the share code to this page. You will be able to go from this page to some advertising resources, okay? Both free and paid. So make sure that you take advantage of that too. And get into the habit of setting up what I like to refer to as SOPs. And that's simply standard operational procedure for what you're going to do and how you're going to do it, and doing that on a regular and a consistent basis, right, guys? Because it's consistency, right, that's going to tilt the scales in terms of what you're able to accomplish, right? If you're consistent, I don't care what it is you're doing, at some point in time, it will pay off, right? If you're building a list and you're generating anywhere, let's just, hypothetically, right off the top of my head, you're generating a couple of hundred, maybe 200, 300, 400 leads a month, and you got your list set up, and you're nurturing that list, and that list is getting to know you. There's just no reason why I can think of you won't be able to create some instant, some passive, and some residual income. And the way that we have these funnels set up, guys, they all have built-in multiple income streams and affiliate offers that can pay you for the rest of your life. Okay, if that makes sense. So I want to thank you guys so very, very much. Remember, you will find the link to the actual playlist, the new Leads League Capture Page Club playlist. I'm going to create it as soon as I get off with this video. Then every video that we do from that point on, I'll probably do one more video and then we'll run through the whole page. But you guys, if you're on it, then you'll already know everything you need is pretty much inside of your Leads League Capture Page Club, to include the share code, links to this page, bonus. I think I even thrown a couple of bonus income streams inside of this too. Now, this can become your Leads League Capture Page Club. You can call it whatever you want, because you can trick the entire page out to do whatever it is you want it to do. Don't take the capture pages out, guys. Okay, leave them, because I like to think I got pretty creative when it came to creating the capture pages. And if you want to create your own, and ultimately that's something else that you'll start doing, then feel free to create your own and then replace them with this one. And again, finally, probably June 1, guys, is when I hopefully will be unlocking the last two affiliate offers. They're really not affiliate offers at all. Well, they are, but they're different probably than anything you've ever seen. In fact, you should start seeing the videos going up, and you'll know what I'm talking about when you see the videos, okay? But this one, you have to go through either the person who sends you to these videos or myself to get in this. I won't have this all over the place. It will only be for a few specific people, and we'll talk about why when we get to it. But just know that if you're watching this video, you're one of those people, okay? And you'll have access to that. I'm really, 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 really excited about it. I'm beside myself, actually, just because of the way, I've set these new funnels up. I'm really proud and I'm really excited, and they actually all work. And that's the thing that just got me really, really excited. So thanks so much for sitting in. I appreciate you guys so very, very much. If you haven't already, make sure you get inside the new Leads League Capture Page Club. Get yourself fired up, guys. Let's get ready to rumble. I'll see you guys in the next video.